Alright guys, let's just keep our intensity up. We've got far more intensity than EAB. Far more. Alright, I'm running it straight there, no hesitation. Go, go, go. Smoke me guys, smoke me. Smoke me, Do it Gaz, do it mate, do it. Smoke Gaz guys. Planning, done. Keep nades and shit on that. Yeah, A's the key guys. No, A is the key. If we don't get A, then it's just gonna be a nothing thing. Get off me, for fuck's sake. Jeez, I hate it when we stop for a route in the middle of nowhere like that. Sounds like they're defusing. Don't forget to use the windows, guys. Don't forget to use the windows to get in and out. There's one defusing. There's one defusing at A. Spread out, spread out. They're coming from behind, boosted.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next
Jeez, that was bloody tough.
demolition.
Alright, I'm going to B, but I want you guys to concentrate on the house. Concentrate on the house, guys. Just provide me with cover, I'm defusing. Provide me with cover, I'm defusing. Fantastic game, guys.